Hi everyone, my name is Dominic, and today I'm going to be walking you through the proof of concept I built using ServiceNow for Prairie Sys manufacturing. Right now their employees submit IT, HR, and facility requests using random emails and through conversations. This makes it really hard to track issues or see what's actually going on. The goal of my implementation is to build a centralized service portal where employees can submit requests in one place and then have those tickets routed to the right teams: IT support, HR, and facilities and maintenance. In this demo, I'll show you the employee facing service portal. As you can see here, shows how tickets are created and assigned, and a quick look at some knowledge articles and a simple dashboard that management can use. So this is the home page of from the employee Clayton Keller's point of view. I customized the title and branding so it looks like the Prairie Sys employee portal instead of the generic ServiceNow instance. I've organized the home page so that employees have direct access to the 3 test catalog items I created, which are HR services, so they can come in here, click on HR services. I configured it to show general HR question, and you can submit a document through here and get a request number. Also for IT services, you can report an IT issue, submit the request. And then for the third department, facilities and maintenance, you can report a facility issue, building safety, equipment issues, things like that. Now that I've shown a basic example of what the Prairie Sys portal can look like and some of the things that the employees can use to manage their problems, I will go over to the agent admin console now and show some things. So now we're in the perspective of a support agent. In this view, we can see the back end of ServiceNow. Here you can see all the incidents and requests that have come in. If you click on an incident, you can change the tons of different fields. You can change the state of the incident to a couple different states, like in progress, on hold, resolved, closed. So this concept applies to HR tickets, facility tickets, and IT tickets as well. Also in the incident form here, I configured the form and added configuration item. This lets us tie an incident to a specific asset or service, like a laptop or server or application that's not responding. So to do that, I went configure, form layout, and you can add tons of different categories to your form here. Very customizable. So now whenever an agent works on an incident, they can select configuration item that is relevant to the problem. So these are small changes, but can make the incident form more useful, and it ties into the configuration management possibilities of ServiceNow. Now we're going to take a look at the knowledge base. So here I've created a knowledge PrairieSys employee help knowledge base. And then in here there's some articles that I made that employees can use to troubleshoot problems or gain knowledge on topics that they are lacking on. So there's a couple different topics here that I created in the knowledge base. And then also what's nice about ServiceNow is that you can keep track of all the PrairieSys employees. So I created 3 test employees: Clayton Keller, Haley Smith, and Joe Smith. And then as well, you can also create different groups, which is also very useful: IT support, human resources, facility and maintenance. And that just makes it a lot easier to manage employees in different groups within the organization. The last thing I'll show is a simple dashboard I built called PrairieSys Support Overview. This has the capability of showing active tasks, visual charts, and data visualization. This reporting is all built into ServiceNow, so once the portal is in real use, they have live data about internal activity. To wrap up, in this Phase 2 implementation, I used ServiceNow developer instance to build a centralized service portal for PrairieSys manufacturing. Employees can now submit IT, HR, and facility requests from one place. These tickets get routed to the correct support groups, and agents can update the state of the tickets and resolve them in one place. There's a small knowledge base that I created that can answer some frequently asked questions and